Good day, Sir Madam. I'm LG Papa, 32 years old. I am a single and I am a Roman Catholic. I'm a high school graduate.
Good day, Miss LV. How are you?
I'm fine, Sir Madam.
Okay, so what are the advantages of the employer they will hire you?
I'm hardworking, honest, patient, and friendly.
Okay, so can you tell us how to take care of the children?
Give them foods, medicine, take a bath, love.
Okay, so do you have message to your future employer?
Yes, Sir Madam. Sir Madam, please hire me. I promise I work good and responsible. I take care of your family and I promise I finish my contract.
Okay, thank you, Miss LV. Hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, Sir Madam.